M Buell with M Buell Studio, and on behalf of Woodworking, this is your monthly video, and the last of 2023, or the first of 2024, depends on when you're watching it. I want to thank y'all for tagging along and watching all the videos, reading the articles for 2023, and good news, doing it again in 2024. I will be the host of the Young Wood Pro competition in 2024 and providing more articles and videos along the way. So, with that in mind, just been, we're coming back around full circle, and I'm just putting some thought again into, why you want to enter the Young Wood Pro competition, or any competition or contest, to be frank. What's in it for you? Like, what's the point? So here are my thoughts. One, the Young Wood Pro exclusively is a good thing to enter, especially because it is geared towards, early in career professionals, but young budding professionals. So at that point, it's fair to assume you haven't mastered your craft, you don't have 20 years of experience, or even 10. You're a young wood pro. So getting into a competition like this and getting your work in front of a lot of people, whether it be your peers or experienced woodworkers or even judges, it is good because you're going to get some really good feedback on where you can get better, but also maybe in some areas it's validating because you're going to find out where you're doing it right. Both are equally valuable. I can think of many times in my career, especially in the earlier years, where finding out where I needed to improve was really helpful. But also finding out where maybe I was doing a lot better than I thought I was. That was really helpful. So this competition specifically, I think, is really good for that. Now, obviously, my favorite reason to enter anything is winning. But outside of just winning, I think there's a lot to be gained from just entering and being a part of it. Another thing that also is beneficial to entering a competition or a contest online is exposure. And the Young Wood Pro, as the example, you're going to get exposure. Your work's getting put on social media. That's how the voting is done. So it's getting put out there in front of an infinite amount of people. Actually, it depends on who likes it, shares it, comments, all that stuff. So you're entering something, and you're entering pictures of your work that is going to be put out there to an already established audience. What do you got to lose? And then my last thought on it was, I don't get on social media a lot. I'm a busy fella, and but the few times I've hopped on recently, just trying to get some perspective, seems like the number of people promoting their work, or in all honesty, more themselves, is growing. There's a lot of people out there, and they're on a lot. So if I'm a younger wood professional and I'm trying to get people to see my work, I'm probably going to take what I would call the scattershot approach or the buckshot approach. I'm going to enter everything. I'm going to get my work in front of as many human eyes as I can and see what kind of cuts through the mix. And just from an analytical standpoint, if I'm doing that and using platforms like the Woodworking Network that's got a large built-in audience already established, that's just increasing my chances of something sticking to the wall. Because it's kind of the Wild West out there, right? So you're better off shooting for something than nothing at all. Someone I hold in very high esteem once told me, good luck happens to those who put themselves in position to be lucky. What kind of position are you putting yourself in? Worth asking yourself. I highly suggest you put some time and some thought, and hopefully some effort, into a really good entry in the 2024 Young Wood Pro. Go get them, Tiger.